When I say tight join, I just mean like flat and together all the way across. There's no like opening up a little bit. It really should be touching. So if you can get a tight join before you solder, it's such a benefit, because you can then solder it up likely with just one piece of solder. So there's minimum amount of cleaning up to do afterwards. If you've got it slightly open, you've got added a bit of solder, didn't quite fill up the gaps, then you've got to add another bit of solder. So that's 2 solders. Then you've got a lump of solder and he's cleaning up and working back, and the join's not as tight, so it's not as strong. You spent more time adding solder, and then it's more time again cleaning it up, and it's not a high quality piece of jewellery anymore. It's a quicker way to work, and you end up with a stronger, more high quality piece if you can just get your joins tight. It's like a really important thing. So I recommend when you're working, slow down and be more careful to get your joins tight, rather than just like, oh, that'll do, and I'll just add more solder. It's a bodged way to work, and you're not on the path to making quality pieces like that. Let's have a look around it. Look inside, look both edges, obviously look across it, make sure your solder's gone everywhere it needs to go.